Hey guys, this is Masdouk, founder of TECHMA AI, where we provide CRM, data analytics, and AI automation for businesses. So, OpenAI just released a brand new feature for ChatGPT, and the feature is called Tasks. Basically, as you can see, this is OpenAI X account where they do most of the release. And it is related to you can set up one-time reminder or recurring action. So basically you can have you can set up a task within your ChatGPT, which can send you reminder, sending you news every time based on a specific time which you set up. It's like if for people who knows a bit about programming, it's more like setting up a scheduled, a cron job, doing a specific task regularly. For me, it seems like this is the entry point of the agentic era by OpenAI. I think that's probably the strategy to get into that race of AI agent and all of that good stuff. So in this video, we're going to walk you through how you can set up tasks and maybe try some use cases, some fun use cases, and see how we can leverage that within our day-to-day use of ChatGPT. All right, let's get started. All right, so we are now on ChatGPT interface, right? As you can see, one important note is currently this is not available for all ChatGPT user. I think currently still in the beta mode, so it's only available for the paid user. So just general information there. So how do you get started with creating a task? I think the first thing to do is you can go here, click on the drop down. You can see there's another model here with schedule task. So we can see that it is still under the beta mode. So let's click on it. So from there, we can then start prompting, right? So let's say just in order to be able to test this functionality, to test the reminder, how this works, we can start with saying maybe right now, as you can see on my screen, it's probably 9 p.m. here. So I would say, okay, let's say at 9:05 p.m. EST time, I want you to send me all the trending news related to AI which happen during the day, right? So something like that. So that means at 9:05 ChatGPT should send me a notification with everything which happened within AI, during the day. So let's launch it and see what we get as a result. Okay, so it's creating the task. We create the task. You can see, say, send training AI news. So daily at 9:05 p.m. So we can actually click on this here to see if it's set it up properly. Okay, so I can see this one is daily and 9:05. So it seems like it's set it up properly. So let's wait and see if we get anything. So we're still within the environment. So normally at 9:05, we should probably get a message being displayed directly within here automatically, probably one of the option. So are we probably going to get notification in case we are not on this page? Maybe if we are on another page, you could have a notification pop up displaying here right away. So let's wait and see if this will come in. Oh, wow. Here you go. So we just get the notification. Perfect. So this is the notification. And then we get the message, which is really, really cool. So here are the trending news stories related to AI, OpenAI launch, GPT 5.5 beta. All right. So nice. That's very, very cool. So we get all the news regarding AI during the day. I mean, that's a very, very good way of using the task functionality. So, and I think one of the important thing also is you need to go to your profile here. In here, you can see all the different tasks which you have set up. So you can click on it. This is the one actually at 9 p.m. sending training AI news. So if we click on this here, we should be able to see the setup which we did, right? And I can always come back here and update the instruction. If I want to say something different, I can come here and update it. If I want to pause this notification, I can still pause the notification. And if I want to change the schedule, maybe like I want this to be like daily, weekly, whatever, I can change it. I can just put custom here. If I want to choose a specific date or a specific time, I can do that as well, right? And that will update the frequency at which the task get executed. Then this is really, really cool. The other thing which is nice also to consider is make sure that you enable notification on your desktop if you want to receive those notifications. If not, you won't be able to receive the notification. So if you are setting this up on your phone, make sure that you also enable notification on your phone as well. So in addition to that, I will recommend to go to the settings here. Just click on settings. And here you will have an option which is called notification. And in here, make sure you enable push because you want to receive push notification. But also if you want to receive through email, you can also enable email. So let's see if I actually receive this message through email as well. So let's go to my inbox to see if I actually receive the email as well. So probably not here. So let's go under notification. Yeah, here you go. So I actually received the same message through email, right? An AI news roundup for the day, which is cool. All right. I mean, that's it for how you can set up your task within ChatGPT to do whatever you would like to do. I think there's so many different ideas. You can have like an idea and say, remind me for, if I want to go to the gym, maybe like at 7 p.m. or whatever time you would like to go to the gym, the AI can actually remind you of that. So you can set that up directly on ChatGPT instead of maybe using, your general calendar to set it up. The way where they are getting into the agentic era seems very, very basic or very simple, but I'm very excited to see what they will come up with after this new feature. Here you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something. If you did, please subscribe and comment and share with people who might be interested in knowing how to set up tasks within ChatGPT. Thank you so much and peace.